I love walking in a fresh rain. And that's my new mimosa. Grass grows so fast. Peppers are catching on. Still in the midst of doing that. But I think we'll be doing it this week. I think that's the goal. I just love a rain. Passions are starting to do some covering. Looky there. Oh, it's gonna be so nice when it gets done. So nice. So nice. See there. Think it's ready? I don't know. Wow, look at those blooms. Some kind of squash. Every once in a while I find a borer on here. But so far, I'm able to pick them off. It's a Kajaris and my Picasso melon. Got some bell peppers coming on. I need to get my peas. Look at the okra. It's coming on. Potatoes. Asparagus. My little tomato over there. All right, guys. I love a rain. Y'all have a beautiful day.